What's up guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to check your backlinks for free using Google Search Console. Now if you haven't signed up already, you can use this URL, just go to this address, sign up for your free account, and once you've done that you can start checking your backlink profile for free, and it's a very powerful tool. So what we're going to do is click on Start Now, and from here you will see a list of your web addresses. Okay, so all the URLs that you've set up on Google Search Console will appear in the top left in this list here. And if you scroll down, you can check out your backlinks here. And on this page, you're going to see four main sections. So you'll see your internal links, your external links, top linking sites, and top linking text. So I'm going to run through and show you exactly how to check out each of these. So top link pages are basically the pages that are getting the most backlinks on your website. So you can see on my site, my homepage is getting the most links, and then also this free link building course I offer is getting a lot of links too. And then from here, you can also see which domains are linking to you the most. So I've used Quora a lot in the past when I've been answering like link building Q&As. So I've got a lot of links from that website. Also, all sorts of other sites are going to show up as well. And then you can also see your top linking text. So this is basically the most common anchor text that's linking to your website. So if you're not sure, okay, what's my anchor text diversity like? What sort of anchor text am I getting from my backlinks? Then you can easily analyze that in this section here. So first of all, let's check out the top linked pages. So if you click on more here, you can see that my top link pages are the homepage and this free link building course. Now what you can actually do is see the total number of external links to your site, and these are unique links to your website from other websites. And on each of the pages on Google Search Console, what you can actually do is export the data into Google Sheets, into Excel, into CSV. So if you want to save the data and come back to it later, then the export function is a very useful tool. Now, if we go back to links, let's check out the top linking sites. So if you click on more here, what you can actually see here is a list of the domains that are linking to you. And you can see how many pages on this website are linking to you. So you can see on Quora it's 53, on this website it's 38, this one is 10, and how many different pages of yours are being linked to. So you know, on Quora.com, for example, it's only one page that I'm getting a link from, which is probably my free link building course. But you can also see like Medium, for example, they're linking to two different pages on my website. And then you can check how many external links you're getting from each page. So you can really dig into detail in terms of the top target pages, the linking website, how many external links you're getting, and how many linked pages you get. And actually, if you click on the question mark here, it will explain each of the features. So if you're not sure what each of these means, you can just hover above this question mark here and you'll get a breakdown. So it's really useful. And what you can also do is you can click here and go to the page that you're interested in checking out. So if you're like, right, okay, what content is on this page? You can just click here and it will show you the details of that page. Next up, we can see the top linking text. When it comes to anchor text, there's always a clickable piece of text that is your link. So if we click on here, we can see the most common anchor text that's being used for my website. So if we scroll down, okay, you can see, right, free backlink masterclass, Julian Goldie, website, Julian Goldie. A lot of these are branded terms. You know, it includes my name simply because that's what my website is about. And then most of the other anchor text is about link building, free link building, that sort of thing. Now, the other useful feature and information you can get from this list is you can check what your anchor text diversity is like. Because when it comes to link building, you don't want to over-optimize the anchor text you're using. You don't want to get links using all the same anchor text because that can look a little bit unnatural. And if you're really manipulating things, you could receive a Google penalty. So it's useful to check this section because you can see how diverse is your anchor text and what type of anchor text are you getting. And basically from here, you know, if you've got a long list of different anchor texts that's being used, that's a good sign because that means your anchor text profile looks natural, you're not doing anything unusual, and it doesn't look to Google like you're manipulating your rankings. Whereas if you had like 1,000 backlinks and they all use exactly the same anchor text, that looks very unnatural and it may look suspicious to Google. So that's something else to make sure you're aware of. Now, another really useful feature is if you go to top linking sites, you scroll down the list, and let's say we look at lemlist.com. They're an outreach software that's linked to me. So if we click on the links here, and then we click inside here, you can see which pages they're linking to on my website. So you can see, right, okay, they're all linking to juliangoldie.com. And then you can actually check the page that the link is coming from. So if we click on that, and if you check the source code of the page and search for your website, then you'll see the link here. Okay, so you can see the anchor text Julian Goldie here. You can see what sentence it's being used in and the page that you're getting a link from. Now also what's very useful about this is you can check whether the link is no follow or do follow. So, Google Search Console, it doesn't give you the information of whether your link is do follow or no follow. But if you actually check the page, then you can quickly find this out. So if we check out the link here and we click on inspect, so you right click and then click inspect. So you can see, right, if there's a no follow tag inside this code here, then that link doesn't pass any link juice. But as you can see, it's a do follow link simply because there's no follow tag inside the brackets. So thanks for watching, guys. By the way, I do have a link building agency. If you're interested in growing your website with white hat backlinks, you want to boost your rankings, drive more organic traffic, then link building is the #1 way to do that. And I can actually help you get backlinks with my link building agency. So if you're interested in getting in touch or having a conversation, I can give you a free consultation. Then go to juliangoldie.com and I will include the link in the video description below. And if you click on grow my site, you can fill in your details and get in touch there. So, if you want a conversation about boosting your SEO rankings with link building and you want more traffic and to land more customers on your site, then make sure that you get in touch via my website. Thanks for watching.